Here is the system that we developed, which is called Interlockino, which is used to control a laser room based on one Arduino and one shield. So on this system, we have two magnetic contacts, which are in reality fixed directly on the doors. So when I open the door, the contacts are not together. Then we have two boxes there, which are fixed on the wall close to the door to see the state of the system. And then we have the Arduino itself, so behind, just a proto shield in the middle, and then the one shield, which is able to communicate with either Android or iPhone to have some exchange. And then we have an output, which is represented by this LED. So when the LED is on, it means that the laser is running. When the LED is off, it means that I apply a shutter to protect the user when he goes in the room. So if I connect to the system, so it works also with a phone, but it's for the presentation, it's simpler. So on one shield you have this application where you have access to many of what they call shields, so basically interfaces. And in my case, I will work with GLCD. So by this way we have this interface that we developed. So on the left you have the four modes that we will use: secure, warning, manual, or tempo. Then you have a representation of our room. So this is the corridor outside, the first door, a SAS, and then a second door to go directly in the room where the laser is running. So now you have this sign, which means that the laser is on, and we can see the state that first door is closed, second door is closed. And the last event was today, when I closed the second door. So now if I check what happens when I open the first door, the system is in secure mode. So I go to the SAS. So you have a first tone, and you can see that the system is saying that the first door has been opened, and we can see that the state is now open. At this stage there is no risk. The point is when we open the second door. So I open the second door. Then we can see the two doors are open, and the laser has been blocked, and we can hear the tone saying that, okay, clearly there is a danger, or at least the system is in secure mode with the door open. Now let's close the door, and then the system is back and the laser is back to on, as you can see on the sign. When I go on warning, I can decide to switch on or switch off the laser manually, and as you can see now, when I open the door there is no risk, and so the light is no more red, meaning that the laser is not running. Open second door. So it's a friendly sound, meaning that, okay, we can go in, there is no risk. We can go also to back to running. So in warning, the laser is running. If I open the first door, it makes the same sound as before, except that when I open the second door, there is the same warning, but the laser is still on. In the third mode, in fact, it's the same, except that we don't care about the doors. The system is just saying that, okay, laser is on, but you can go in. And last mode is tempo. So the idea is that, let's imagine that I prepare an experiment, the system is running in the room, so I'm in the room, and I want to go outside without switching off the laser. So I go to tempo. Okay, let's go back first to secure. So I switch tempo. So I have a certain time, so I can open the doors. There is no problem, laser is still running. And at the end of the tempo, so 20 seconds, which can be changed, of course, you reach it and you go back to secure, which means that if I open the door, the laser is switched off. So this is the system, how we developed it. We have also, thanks to one shield, the possibility to send an SMS, for instance, or an email to the user saying that, okay, today at this time, someone is going in the room. So here is the system, hoping it could help you.